So hello there guys, welcome back to another video, and sorry if this sound is like yeah, sorry guys. So now we are going to be making a social story in Scratch, as you see the thumbnail of this video and the title. So let's get started. So over here we are going to close Scratchy, and let's maybe choose a backdrop. And here it is, lots of the collections of backdrops. These are good and they're pretty nice. For this we are going to be the social story is that about stop throwing plastic in the oceans. This is actually pretty responsible for the environment. We are response to it. We should do this together. Cause if the fish died, every fish in the world, so many fishes dies due to plastic being thrown down. So we need to teach kids this lesson. Now, sorry if my internet is slow because my lav mic and my cell phone is okay. Let's maybe choose an area which is not too enjoying. Yeah, the pool. Yeah, a pool. That may sound strange, of course, but this is about water, so we should have a backdrop with water. So now let's click on this button, choose a sprite, and which is the smartest one in the top area? Avery is. She's too big, so let's maybe make her size 90. No. 80. No. Maybe 70. Here it is okay, but you cannot see her. You cannot see her properly. So I think we should do like this. I should do like this. Okay. So let's grab another sprite who is a child. Is it Danny? Okay, yes, Danny should be. The size of Avery 70. Let's make him 50 because he's a child. Danny should be over right here. Make him 45. Yep, he is bigger than Avery. He's a tall child. This is Danny 1, Danny 2, Danny A, Danny B, and Danny C. I like Danny C's hair, and he looks smart, so I think I am going to choose him. Oops, sorry. Danny A looks already smart. Danny B looks already smart. Danny C does not looks smart, but not smart. Okay, so let's say over here. Let's see over here. Hello there. Hello there, Danny. Hello there, Danny. And what we have to do is to broadcast Avery said hello to Danny. Okay, so here let's say when I receive Avery said hello to Danny, let's say hi mom. Hi mom. Because Danny's skin is almost like Avery, so that's why I'm going to say hi mom. And then let's over here say why did you bring me to the pool? Why did you bring me to the pool? And let's just broadcast. For a better understanding, let's maybe say 5 seconds. So this will take 5 seconds. This will take 5, 10, 15. So children, so you may have enough time to do it. And now let's just broadcast Danny Q1. I'm not going to be calling it really sensitively because this I want to make it short. So Danny Q1, and I receive Danny Q1 and say I to talk about the oceans, and then let's just broadcast Danny Q1 solved. When I receive Danny Q1 solved, let's say about what? Q2 comes. Okay, let's just put in here 5 seconds. 5 seconds. And when I receive Q2 comes. Fish. And then let's just broadcast. Okay, talk. Okay, talk. When I receive okay, talk, let's say okay, tell me Okay, tell me. Okay, tell me. And let's do continue. So when I receive continue, and let's say Danny, fish are always suffering from plastic true on water. I recommend you to never put plastic on water. To recommend. So let's see. Hello there, Danny. Then he says, hi, Mom. Why did you bring me to the pool? To talk about the oceans. About what? Then he says, fish. Okay, tell me. Danny, fish are always suffering from plastic. Make this 5 seconds. Okay. Hello there, Danny. Hi, Mom. Why did you bring me to the pool? To talk about the oceans. About what? Then he asks, fish. Okay, tell me. Danny, fish are always suffering from plastic on water. I recommend you to never put plastic on water. So that is it. I'm going to be sharing the project. Social story number 2. I already created one before I created a channel. Fish plus plastic. Okay, I'm going to click on share. See inside, copy, see project page. There. Link. Information. Click that flag. For my YT channel. Okay, bye.